Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share how to make delicious stir-fry asparagus with olive vegetable. I hope you will like it. Asparagus is also a good source of antioxidants like vitamin A and vitamin E. These antioxidants help the body fight off free radicals, or oxygen particles that cells produce as waste. Ingredients are asparagus, carrot, and olive vegetable. Bend the back base and forth until it naturally breaks off. Snap off the end of another stalk. Peeling asparagus doesn't just make it prettier, it also makes more of the stalk tender and edible. If you have a bit of extra time, it's the best way to prepare asparagus to eat. Cut asparagus into sections and set aside. Shredded carrot. Stir-fry chopped garlic until fragrant. Add shredded carrots. Add asparagus. Add 2 tablespoons water and stir fry. Add 1 tablespoon olive vegetable and stir fry evenly. No seasoning is needed as olive vegetable are already seasoned. Stir-fry asparagus with olive vegetable is done. Stir-frying asparagus like this is simple and delicious, and it's done in one go. Stir-frying is easy and convenient. Asparagus is very high in folate. Taking folic acid supplements during pregnancy appears to help prevent miscarriage and protect the growing fetal neural tube. Asparagus is high in dietary fiber. This helps promote regular movement in the gastrointestinal tract, prevents constipation, eliminates toxins, and reduces the risk of colon cancer. Note: gout patients should not eat asparagus. Fresh asparagus contains a lot of purines and oxalic acid, which may lead to high uric acid levels in gout patients, leading to gout attacks. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Thanks for watching. Do follow my channel, yeah.